back to my channel. I am Lami, aka Mimi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this look, which is a nice smoked out purple look with a nice bold burgundy lid. This look I'm doing it, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So if you don't have a look to try out, or if you don't have a look in mind yet, I suggest you should try this look out. If you don't want to pair with this burgundy lip, you could probably do something more pinkish, nude. But I suggest you guys try it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers that are tuning in. Hey y'all. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey everyone. So today I'm starting off with my Dior foundation in the shade 51. This is a Dior Forever. I absolutely love that foundation. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and just applying that under my eyes. This will be the only concealer that I'm using today. And just apply that anywhere that I would like to highlight. And now I'm taking my black opal foundation stick and just using that as a contour. And now I'm just blending out everything, making everything nice, smooth, and blended. So now I'm taking my Revolution translucent powder and I'm just applying that, you know, everywhere that I highlighted. But I absolutely love this translucent powder. I actually went back to buy some more and they didn't have any, so I'll probably have to see if I could get some online. But I feel like every time something is like trending or popular, people just take it all, you know. So I don't blame y'all, because I'm about to do the same thing and stack up on a few of these. And now I'll be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark. And I just like to go over that with the, like, wherever I use the translucent powder, I like to go over that just so it won't give me like that little ashiness, you know, because sometimes that little ashiness likes to pick through. And ain't nobody trying to look ashy over here. So I just take that and apply my, you know, my MAC powder and just go over a little bit. And on top of that, it helps with shine if you get oily really fast, you know. But I just like how that looks together with the translucent and then the MAC mineralized powder. I feel like it just gives me that nice, flawless finish, you know. So while I am blending that out, I just want to say, hey new subscribers, hey. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really, truly appreciate the support. Thank you for the likes, the comments, for sharing my video, for showing some love. Just thank you guys. And now you see me applying this concealer. I'm using this as an eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking this color as a transition. I'm just applying that right above my crease and just blending that out. I just wanted to go for something purplish today. I was going to do something pink, but I feel like everybody does pink for Valentine's Day. I mean, I still might do it. But for this look, I just wanted to do something purple. You guys already know. And now I'm taking my Jacklyn Hill palette and I'm using this burgundy reddish shade and applying it on my crease. I could use the red shade that they have in the Modern Renaissance, but that shade on that palette makes my eyes so irritated and it makes my eyes red and then they hurt and then I gotta be using some eye drops. So I was like, let me not do that. So I just decided to use the Jacklyn Hill palette to apply this burgundy shade. But now I'm taking that color right there, those two colors, and I'm mixing them together, and I'm using that on my outer corner just to, you know, smoke everything out more. So yes, I wanted to what I went for a smoky eye. I usually always go for a smoky eye, or I usually always end up with a smoky eye. But yes, I'm just taking that and blending that out. And now the purple that I'm using is from the Jacklyn Hill palette. You guys know that that palette only has that shimmery purple next to the blue. I'm taking that color and just applying it on my lid. I did a cut crease. I didn't do it on camera, but I just carved out my crease. And now I'm just applying that purple. Like I said before, I wanted to do a pink eyeshadow, but I'm like, let me do this one first. But if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know what colors you guys want to see together, and I could film it, edit, and make it happen for you guys. So you guys already know, this is one of my favorite bronzers to use. This is the CoverGirl Queen Collection in the shade Q120, I believe. This is my jam right here. I use this stuff all the time. And now I'm taking my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm using this this highlight that they have there. And it's like a golden bronze. It's so pretty. So I'm just taking that on my, my cheeks, applying some on my nose, my forehead, my shin. That's how you know when I really like something. I put it like all over. I really like, and it has a really good pigment. So now I'm taking my NYX lip liner that I absolutely love at the moment. Like, this is my current fave, and I feel like every time I like something, I use it to the extreme, to the point where I don't like it no more. I'm just kidding. But I use it to the point where it's just like, okay, you need to chill out and try something new. But now I'm taking my MAC Diva lipstick. It's a different packaging because this is from a holiday collection. And I was gonna do something a little bit more nude, but I was like, nah, let me try something, burgundy. And I just like how the color complemented the eyes. And now you just see me taking my Mario Badescu setting spray. And yes, this is the final look. I love how it came out. I hope you ladies try it out as well. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.